In ACP's house, my lord.
ACP's house,
Housekeeping work. my
ನೀವು
lord.
housekeeping.
Yes, my
My
lord.
lords, I'll produce the document to show that she is a employee in the government.
Well,
She is working as an home guard. This is the petition filed by me challenging the order, my lords. We are not the husband and wife. This was the petition before the trial court, and I have been filed the detailed objections to that effect. Lord.
You are not husband and wife.
Yes,
What is the claim?
my lord, she is claiming I am the husband of this respondent. So I have been filed the detailed objections before the trial court, but before filing the objections, before hearing me and the petitioner, the trial court has been passed the orders, my lord, interim maintenance. My lord,
How much?
Petitioner has been directed, my lord, to pay the interim
1
maintenance.
minute. How much?
My lords, 5,000 rupees, my lords.
All right. You pay that much, we'll see. What are the arrears?
Because she is
2 lakhs,
not
my lord. Around 2 lakhs, my lord.
2 lakh. Deposit ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
a husband of the respondent here.
My lord, they filed
My
the
lord.
appeal before the session.
1 minute.
Subsequently, my lords, the
Sir,
trial court.
Arrears 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ. We will decide whether your husband or otherwise. But first deposit 50% of that here.
My lords, I'll be
Otherwise,
my lords,
objections
I'll be-
ಹಾಕಿ madam.
I'll be depositing the amount, my lord, 50% of the
Along with
amount.
the documents, I'll file it.
This honorable court may direct the respondent not to withdraw the same, my lord, until unless the case
That
is
time
being-
now.
Because, my lords, if I deposit the amount, if they take the amount, my lords, that will prove my contention that I have been paid the amount.
Yeah,
ಅಂತ
ready.
ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Correct. Yes.
When I am not husband to the respondent, my lords,
Why you are not a husband?
my lords, call for records, my lords, I have been filed the detailed
You are
objections. If
not
I-
husband.
Lord,
Call for
himself-
record.
himself-
1 ನಿಮಿಷ
Lord.
madam. Yes.
My lords, I am not a legally wedded wife of
Legally wedded wife.
ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಮದ್ವೆನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I have been
He is not the legally wedded wife.
Exactly, my
I am
lord.
not the legally wedded wife.
sorry, my lords, sorry. I have my ಅವರೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ 2019 ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಅವರ ಗಂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್. She have not produced single document to show that I am a husband of this one.
Where did you get married?
My lords,
Where did you get married?
my lords, I am not married to her.
You are not married.
My lord, he himself
I have been
has
married to-
admitted, my lord.
You are married to someone else.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
First marriage he has not given the divorce and second marriage he has taken.
Baigamina.
Yes,
Still, those particular documents have been produced before the concerned. I am a police official. I have been produced the.
Police officer.
Yes, my lord.
he's a public servant, my lord. He's the head constable, my lord.
I am an head constable, my lords. I have been serving in the government sector. And the respondent number 1 is also a government employee. She is working in the government, Karnataka police. They have been produced single document to show that the petitioner herein is a husband of the respondent number 1. But she has not been produced.
There are
I can
documents of.
Here's every document.
One minute, madam. ನೀವು ಪೊಲೀಸಾ?
Howdo?
No, my lord. I'm
To show that, my lords, I will produce the document.
Who are
to show
you?
that-
in ACP's house, my lord.
ACP's house,
Housekeeping work. my
ನೀವು
lord.
housekeeping.
Yes, my lord.
My lords, I will produce the document to show that she is a employee in the government sector, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what
ಗೃಹ
is
ಇಲಾಖೆ
saying? ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು?
ಗೃಹ ಇಲಾಖೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು she is an home guard.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
She is working as an home guard. She is working in the home guard. She would have been produced single document to show that I am a legal husband illegally husband ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. She has not been produced. ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಮದ್ವೆನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. How can she produce my name before the concerned department?
ನಿಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I have been clearly stated in my written statement of.
When did you get married?
My lords?
When did you first time?
1999 June, my lords. 1 second. 1 second, my lords. I'll just.
How old were you then?
Trial court is specifically mentioned that you pay the amount until and unless we are not going to.
You do you deposit
permit-
50%, they will not withdraw it. But to show your bona fides.
Exactly.
Ah.
Until and
Bona fides of what? Deposit.
Yes, I'll deposit, my lord. The interim.
That I will grant. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that as on today, the arrears that her husband has to pay is close to 2 lakhs.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
One ನಿಮಿಷ,
husband ಅಲ್ಲ.
submissions.
Husband and you.
The learned counsel for the petitioner, however, disputes the very fact that he has got married to the respondent. It is a submission that he is married to someone else and elsewhere and is living a happy life there. Yes. Therefore,
Sudha H.
Huh?
My legally wedded wife is Sudha H. Because
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೈಗಮೀನ್ illegally wedded wife.
ಅಲ್ಲ illegally wedded wife ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ so and so. List the Learned, therefore, the petitioner shall deposit rupees 1 lakh before this court in the next 4 weeks.